Welcome back to Hey Maaa. Today we're making texture paste.
Hey, Ma!
Texture paste is also known as modeling paste or embossing paste. It is used in the crafting world, especially mixed media, to add dimension or texture to your art. This is a homemade recipe, a DIY if you will. So the basic recipe for texture paste is 3 parts baby powder, 2 parts glue, and 1 part acrylic paint. Once you have all the ingredients together, then you just have to mix it until it turns into a thick, fluffy paste. You can change the consistency by adding more powder or more paint or more glue, depending on what you want. Since you're making it yourself, you can customize it however you like. You can make it as thick or as fluid as you want. And you're saving money. Here I'm using the texture paste on a stencil. It's my #1 way of using it. I also smooth it on the cardboard just to show how it could change the texture of the cardboard. And I love this consistency, and it dried rock hard, so I'd say that's a success. So that's all for this very short video. If you're inspired by our craft videos, please like our craft videos. If our DIYs motivate you to do it yourself, please consider subscribing to Hey Maaa. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
Alright, so this turned out really nice. You can hear it. It's got nice elevation. It's just basically like puffy paint. It's hard. And actually I like how this stencil turned out. And I'm thinking of like gessoing the whole thing and doing a thing with it. Yeah, maybe not. But anyway, that's yeah. And I had to feed the birds and stuff, so I think it's been sitting for like an hour. And it smells like baby powder. Pretty cool. DIY texture paint for pennies.